Hello, my friends. I wanted to share this quick recipe that my friend Leslie from A Charming Abode, make sure you check out her channel down below. It's for a cottage cheese brownie, and we're using the blender to blend it up. I'm going to use 1/3 cup of cottage cheese, and I will leave the recipe down in the description box. 1/3 cup of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 and 2. I'm going to put in 1 egg. And 2 teaspoons of monk fruit is what I'm using for my sweetener. Now Leslie said 1.5, but I think she said that it wasn't really sweet. So if you want it sweet, to make it sweeter, I can't see, guys. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of monk fruit. And it measures just like sugar. So there's 1. And there's 2. We're going to blend this together. My dishwasher's running. Sorry, guys. Last Pyrex bowl here, and I'm going to spray it a little bit. And I'm going to put this batter right down in there. Then we're going to take some of our Lily's chocolate chips and sprinkle them right on top. And we're going to put this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And I'll beat you back here and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, I left this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. You could do it up to 2 minutes. The chocolate had melted some. I think the texture was really good. I'm a big texture person. The flavor was good. If anything, I would have maybe added a little bit more monk fruit to it because, I think it needed to be just a little bit sweeter. That's a personal preference, though. But it smelled like a brownie. It looked pretty close to a brownie, and it tasted pretty good. So, this is not going to be like a um, Ghirardelli brownie that you make. But is it a sweet treat? Yes. If you're craving something chocolate and something sweet, I think this is a winner. I do recommend that you microwave it at least 2 minutes, though.